English speaking course. Hi everyone, welcome back to English speaking course, your cozy English corner.
Before we start, I have some questions for you. Is it hard for you to think in English? Do you often translate words in your head before speaking?
Don't worry, many learners feel the same way. Even we had this problem before, and that's okay.
In this episode, we'll share easy tips that helped us think in English using fun, everyday conversations. Stay with us to see how you can do it too.
Let's get started. Hello. I want coffee, please. Sure. What kind of coffee would you like? We have cappuccino, latte, americano. I don't know. Coffee with no milk, no sugar. Oh, black coffee. Would you like it hot or cold? Cold? No, I mean hot. Yes, hot. Hey, Sofia! You're new here, right? First day? Yes, first day. I'm very nervous. Don't worry, you're doing great. Coffee orders can be hard, right? Yes, my English, not good. I make mistakes. Slow. You're doing fine. It's okay to make mistakes. You just need a little practice. I hope so. But I feel stupid sometimes. I always translate in my head. Hey, you're not stupid. You're learning. And that's amazing. With time, you'll start thinking in English. Just keep trying. You'll get there. Here's your coffee. Thank you. See? You did it. Next time, it will be easier. Let's drink together, and I'll help you practice. Thank you, Emma. I need much help.
Good morning, Sofia. How's everything going? You look a bit stressed.
Yes, Jack.
Don't worry. What seems to be the problem?
I need to write an email, but my English is not good. I want to say, thank you for thank you for your idea? No. Information? I think in my language, then I change it to English.
I think I know your problem. You're translating in your head, right?
Yes, I think in French, then try to put in English. But it's slow, and sometimes I make mistakes. The words, not right.
That's actually very common. Many people learning English have this problem. When you translate, it takes more time and makes speaking or writing harder.
Yes, I feel slow, and I don't know the good words.
That's because translating stops your brain from thinking in English. First, it finds the idea in your language, then changes it to English. It's like driving with the brakes on. That's why it feels slow.
Yes. That's how it feels. So, what can I do?
Describe what you see around you in English. For example, if you see a chair, think, "This is a chair." Also, Try practicing short sentences in your head.
That sounds good. I will try that.
Ooh, are you trying to learn Jack's secret English learning tips? Good morning, David. Yes, she is. Keep trying, Sophia. You're doing great.
Thanks, David.
We're always ready to help you with your English anytime, so don't worry, all right? Keep up the good work, Sophia.
You seem a little bit upset today. What happened? Hi, Emma. I had a call with a customer today, and I made many mistakes. I couldn't think fast in English. Oh, no. I'm sorry to hear that. I had the same problem when I started learning English. It got better with practice. Really, I feel like I will never get better. I understand, but you can improve with some practice. It just takes time. I used to fail so many times in the past. What helped me was thinking in English every day. How do you do that? I started with simple things. For example, I would describe my day in English. Like, I am drinking coffee, or I am walking to work. It helps to practice everyday thoughts in English. But I don't always know how to say things in English. Another tip is to use an English dictionary. It helps you think more in English and not just translate from your native language. Oh, okay, I will try to use the dictionary. Also, try to think in English when you're reading or watching something in English. It helps your brain get used to the language. I see. Try to practice speaking with friends or colleagues like me. Practice speaking every day, even if it's just a little. When you come across a new word somewhere, write it down in your notebook. After that, you should try to practice using them in sentences. These are good ideas. I will start with the simple daily thoughts and try the dictionary. That's great. And remember, it's okay to make mistakes sometimes. Don't be too hard on yourself. You're doing well already. The more you practice, the easier it becomes. Thank you, Emma. I will follow these tips. You're welcome. And if you need more help, just ask. We're all here to support each other. I overheard you two. Emma's tips are really good. And again, if you need help, don't be afraid to ask us. We can even do some practice together. Just think of us as your 911 hotline when you have an emergency. I will. Thank you both. I feel a bit better now. Anytime, Sophia. Keep going and you'll see improvement soon. Oh, honey, thanks for the gift. It's cute and I love it so much. You're number one. I'll make you the best dishes in the world tonight. Hi, Kylie. Happy birthday. Hope all your birthday wishes come true. And I also have a small gift for you. Thank you so much for your gift and your kind words, Sophia. I heard you're working on your English. Do you need any help? Thanks, Kylie. I practice a lot lately. I'm trying hard, but still feel nervous. It's okay to feel nervous. How about we practice together? That sounds good. Okay, let's say you're answering the phone. I'll be the caller. Okay, I'm ready. Hello, is anyone available to take a call? Okay. Hello, I'm Sophia. How can I help you today? I need to speak with someone about a project update. Sure, I can help with that. What's the project about? Perfect! You're really improving. Just remember to smile when you speak.
Smile, not laugh when you have food on your mouth. Let me tell you, Kylie used to eat when she was on the phone with a client, and I laughed so hard.
Shh, stop saying that, David. Everyone will know about my secret. Don't worry, Kylie. I won't tell anyone. Thank you, Sophia.
You're doing fantastic. Keep practicing, and you'll be a pro in no time.
Thanks, Kylie and David. You both make practicing so much fun. Anytime, Sophia. We're here to help.
Yes, and don't forget, laughter makes everything easier. Hi, guys. Ready for some fun practice?
Just in time.
Here's your birthday gift.
Thank you so much, as always. We were working on Sophia's phone call.
Great, Sophia. Let's practice something different. Imagine you're talking to the boss.
Oops. I'm a bit scared about that. How about we finish practicing today?
It will be fine. Just be yourself. Let's say you're updating the boss on a project.
I'm making good progress on the project so far, and I expect to finish it by Tuesday.
Good.
Wonderful! You're sounding more confident already. I'll try my best. Thank you both. You're going to rock it. Just keep smiling and have fun. Good morning, Mr. Smith. How are you today?
Good morning, Sophia. I'm well, thank you. How about you?
I'm good, thank you. We are here to talk about the new project.
Sure, let's discuss it.
First, we need to finish the design. We have the basic idea, but we need to add more details.
Yes, I understand. I will ask my team for their feedback. When do you need it?
I think I'll need it by Friday. Is it okay?
Yes, that's fine. I will make sure to get it to you by then.
Also, we need to plan a meeting to discuss the timeline.
When would you like to have this meeting?
How about next Tuesday? We can meet in the morning.
Tuesday morning works for me. Let's set it up.
Perfect. I will send you the meeting invitation.
Sounds good. Anything else?
No, that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Mr. Smith.
You're welcome, Sophia. See you on Tuesday.
See you on Tuesday.
Great job, Sophia. You really did well in that meeting.
Thank you, boss. I was a little nervous, but it went okay. Sophia, I'm impressed. Your English is getting much better.
I could see you were confident in that meeting.
We're so proud of you.
You did a great job.
Thanks, guys. I practiced a lot before the meeting. It helped.
Keep practicing. It's the best way to improve. You're on the right track. Don't ever stop practicing just because you fail or make mistakes.
What's important is that you're trying and getting better. I'll keep that in mind. Thank you for your support.
We're lucky to have you on the team, Sophia. Keep up the good work.
To thank everyone, I'd like to invite you all for coffee this afternoon.
Awesome.
What do you think about the conversations? Are you happy for Sofia, the French intern?
If so, we hope that you will get the same results as Sofia, or even better. Remember to check our PDF for the script.
And don't forget to practice, since practice is always the key to success.
Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to practice your English every day to improve your English level. Watch the video for 1 week. Try to think and speak in English every time. Listen and repeat the lesson out loud to improve your listening and speaking skills fast. Thanks for watching. Please give us a like, share, and comment. Click here for more useful videos.